Wow! Look at this chicken. Awesome! Whoa! Hello, kids! There are so many colorful eggs. Okay, let's do this. This is red color. This is red chick. Perfect. Orange color, chick. Yellow, chick. Green color, chick. Blue chick. Purple chick. Pink chick. Great job, friends! See you guys next with new exciting things. Ooh, have a look here. Hello, friends. This place looks so much colorful fun. Here we go. This is an elephant. Wonderful. Let's go for the next. This is tiger. This is hippopotamus. Wow, look at this awesome. This is gorilla. Magnificent. This is crocodile. Ooh. This is kangaroo. This is bear. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. We'll see you next time. Bye! Ooh, there are so many colorful balls.
Hey, what's going on?
It looks like we had fruits. Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
What do you think?
They look so good.
We are going to learn fruits.
Interesting. Okay, let's do this.
Over here. I will show you how. Let's go. Yeah. Watermelon. Perfect.
Let's do the next one. Over there. Kiwi.
Blueberry.
An apple.
Lemon.
An orange.
Fig.
Strawberry.
Coconut.
Grape.
Pomegranate.
Papaya.
Dragon fruit. Avocado.
Peach.
Peach.
Guava.
Star fruit.
Pineapple.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends.
See? Who is that?
This is Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Magnificent. Hey, today we are going to craft this Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Okay, let's do this. That is awesome.
Here we go. Yes. Over here.
Let's go for the numbers. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Ooh, have a look here. There are so many colorful ones.
Hello, kids. Hey, hello, kids. Roll with me.
Who wants to play?
Let's go.
Over here. This is red color. This is a 1. This is duck. Amazing.
Orange color. This is 2. This is pig. That is awesome. Yellow color. This is 3. This is cow. I love it.
Green color. This is 4. This is cat.
Cyan color. This is 5. Frog. Blue color. This is 6. This is sheep.
7. This is horse. Purple color.
8. Rabbit. Pink color. 9. This is dog.
10. This is chick.
Great job, friends.
That looks fantastic.
I'm so proud of you. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, kids. Hey, what's going on? Wow, look at this train. Amazing, looks interesting. Who is that?
Hello, friends. That looks fantastic. What is this?
We are going to learn planets in our solar system.
Interesting. Let's do this.
Roll with me. Let's go over there. This is sun.
Here we go. Let's go for the next. This is an Earth. Perfect.
This is Uranus.
This is Jupiter.
This is Mars.
This is Venus.
This is Neptune.
This is Mercury.
This is Saturn. Awesome!
Fantastic.
These are planets in our solar system.
I'm so proud of you.
See you guys
next with new exciting things.